Hello friends, good morning. Am I live guys? Is everything fine? Give me a thumbs up if you think that everything is fine and you can listen me properly. Okay guys. Okay, so just give me a thumbs up. Is everything good here guys? So let's start the session first. Okay, so this is the batch we are coming up with, like in our express course. Sachin sir and Yasraj sir, they are teaching in Hindi language. Me and Sachin both are teaching in English language. Okay, and this is the price of the complete express course. You get each and everything free over here. Okay, so these are the, like, you get these things here: live video, mock, everything. And this is not the exact price. I used it by mistake. Okay, so this is the first question of time and distance. And let's try to read this and let's try to do this. Okay guys, all good here? So good morning again, don't sleep at least. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Okay, the question you can see. Yes, all I think all fine. Yes, all fine over here. So let's see the questions. Okay, now if I'm talking about the part of the question, so you can just say that P, Q and R participated in a race. P covers the same distance in 49 steps. Try to break it. As Q covers in 50 steps and R in 51 steps. Okay. P takes 10 steps in the same time as Q takes 9 steps and R takes 8 steps. Okay. Who is the winner in the race? Okay guys, if like instead of steps there is meter, so you can easily say that R is the winner because R covers 51 meters. But the problem is the steps are different for everybody. Like if you talk about steps, so my step, your step, like Khali's step. Let's talk about the Khali is so, like, Khali's height is so much, like, he's a very good height. So his step is like, longer will be. So in these cases you have to find out, like, if only these statements has been given and they ask who is the fastest, we can say like we cannot determine only till here. If they ask, answer will be C and D. But answer is not C and D because they have given something else also. They have given like P takes 10 steps in the same time as Q takes 9 steps and R takes 8 steps. It means this is the what? This is what? This is same time. Time is same. And if time is same, so it's kind of what? If time is same and like he takes 10 steps, he takes 9 steps and R takes 8 steps, what can we say? We can just find out like speed. Like what will be the speed? So we can say that like 10 steps in same time, like if I just try to relate all of them, so I can just write ratio of speed of PQR, that is 10 by 49, 50 by 9, no, 10 by 49, 9 by 50 and 8 by 51, 8 by 51, like this: 10 by 49, 9 by 50, 8 by 51. This is the ratio of this speed. You can find out the ratio of this speed. You understand that? You got that? Did you get it? He's gonna ask why is this happening, you know. So understand one thing, that P covers the same distance in 49 steps, 50 steps, like this, like 49 is P is equal to D like this, and 50P, no, 50Q. I'll explain it how this is happening, right? 50Q is equal to D and 51R is equal to D. Now this is the P takes 10 steps in the same time, Q take 9 steps same times, R takes 8 steps. The ratio is this, that they cover this distance. Like in the same time is covering 10 steps, in the same time is covering 9 steps, in the same time is covering 8 steps. So when you talk about the speed, it means this is the distance, this is the ratio of the time also. Ratio of the time, ratio of the distance, distance time, distance in the same time. So you just multiply this, you get this ratio of speed. And when you get the ratio of speed, so which is the higher one? Which is the higher one? Which is the maximum one? This is the maximum one. It means the speed of P will be maximum. The speed of P will be maximum. It means who is the winner of the race? That is P. You understand that? P is the winner of the race. You heard that, guys? You understand that? Okay. And what is step here? It's just the size of the foot. That is the step. If I talk about, like, you can understand this is 49 pi P. So P is equal to D by 49, like this only. I hope you understand that. Clear? Are we clear here? साउंड नहीं आ रहा? क्या बात कर रहे हो? अबे भाई, साउंड नहीं आ, are you not able to listen me, guys? Please refresh it, yaar. Now, are you clear with this thing? Are you clear with this question? अरे समझ में आया क्या? Did everybody got that? Okay. To make it like maybe they okay. I'll tell you one more thing. Don't worry. Okay, I find out distance. Okay, like this. So time will be what? They are saying to take 10 steps in the same time. So the same thing you can equate time and then divide it, you get the answer. Like you can say that if you're not able to get it, so you can say like P is equal to, like he take 10 steps, so P is equal to time like by 10, like this also, and P is equal to D by 49 also. So you just P is equal to D by 49 and time by 10. So distance upon time, like distance upon time is speed, like this. You can just say like this. Okay, so this way you can just solve it. Otherwise, just remember one thing, that step upon the distance, like in time, you just solve it. Distance upon time is equal to speed. Okay guys, this question, try to do this also. Sanjay covers a certain distance with on speed, but when he reduces his speed by 10 km per hour, his time duration for the journey increases by 40 hours. While if he increases his speed by 5 km per hour from his original speed, he takes 10 hours less than the original time taken. Find the distance covered by him. It's a very good question. It's a very different kind of question. Some people take a lot of time in solving this. Okay, some people takes a lot of time in solving this. this question. Okay, so but we will try to break it in somehow and try to solve it without making any equations. Okay, so let's see how we deal in this question. Like distance upon speed is equal to time, we all know that, right? Okay, I'll explain it thoroughly. Okay, Sanjay covers a certain distance with his own speed. So I am taking here speed, his speed is x. So let's say he's taking t time, right? But when he reduces his speed by this, so like this, and time increases by 40 hours, increases by, it means it becomes t plus 40. So what you did, you just subtract t by x minus 10 minus d by x is equal to t, like 40. Okay, so you do like this. Okay, so it means the difference of time is equal to 40. Okay, so let's do one more thing. Let's take d common. So when you take d common, you write like x minus x plus 10 upon x minus 10 is equal to 40. Now this is divisible. So you got d is equal to 10 d into 10 upon x minus 10 is equal to 40. Otherwise you can also say d is equal to x minus 10 upon 10 into 40, like this. But we need not to do anything of this. You just like see the processes and let's erase it. See all the process and erase it, because we don't need that. Now what we have discovered here, like distance is equal to speed into speed upon difference of speed into difference of time. That's it. You remember this. Now do like this. D is equal to, first speed is x, when it like reduces, so that is x minus 10 here upon 10 into the time is 40, and the same thing is equal to when he increases his speed, it means x into x plus 5 upon 5 into 10. Now take these two things and just solve the question. Take these two things, it means what? X into x minus 10 upon 10 into 40 is equal to x into x plus 5 upon 5 into 10. Okay, so x that is divisible, 10 4s are 40, divisible, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. It means 2x minus 20 is equal to x plus 5. It means x is equal to 25. Put the value either here or either here, you will get the same answer. Let's put 25. 25 into 25 minus 10 is 15 into 4. So 100, 1500. That is your answer. समझ में आया क्या? Did you get that, guys? अरे बोलो, हाँ बोलो. Did you? Please tell me. Did you get this? Answer will be 1500 kilometers. All clear, guys? Did you get the complete concept? Any kind of question, if you see like this, don't try to make the equations. Try to do like this. Try to do like this. This is a good question. Try to follow like this. You'll get the answer. Okay, you're definitely gonna get the answer. Need not to worry about it. This is the simple kind of concept. Okay, and you have seen these kind of questions, but now you know how to tackle this. Remember this: speed into speed upon speed minus speed into difference of time. That's it. Simple. Okay, and it's a good question. It's a good question. Okay, let's try to solve it. Yes. Ask yourself why. If you start asking why, it means you're gonna doing good. If you don't ask why, that's the problem. Okay, let's solve this question. A person travels 2 hours at the speed of 15 km per hour and for 3 hours at the speed of 20 km per hour. At the end of it, he finds that he has covered 1/3 of the total distance. At what speed should he travel to cover the remaining distance in 5 hours? Now remember, A person travels for 2 hours at the speed of this, it means how many distance he covered? 30 kilometers. It's easy question. And for 3 hours at the speed of 20 kilometers per hour, it means 60 kilometers. Okay, so it's 90 kilometers. And now they are saying this is 1 by third. 1 by third is 90. So 2 by third is what? You understand? It means 1:2 ratio. 1 means 90, 2 means 180. Now they are talking about that 180 kilometers should be covered in 5 hours. It means 180 by 5. That's a damn easy question. 36 kilometers per hour. Option D. Did everybody get that? Did everybody get that, guys? Yes, Nikhil. Wow, awesome, guys. Wow, awesome. Answer will be 36 kilometers per hour. Simple. Let's solve this. Okay, this is the concept people use to, like Smith and Mitra start walking around a circular park of radius this meters. They start at the same point. Smith goes clockwise and Mitra goes anti-clockwise, and they just want to say that clock and anti-clock means that their direction. It means their direction is different. That's what they want to tell by this. How many times will they cross each other at a starting point? If they walk for 2 hours 12 minutes. The starting point means this. This is the point. This is the point. They start it. Okay. So in the first of all, let's try to find out that they will meet like how many times. So first of all, we have to find out circumference, that is 2 pi r, circumference of the circle. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 168. Okay, so just let's divide it. 24, 48 into 22, 96 into 11. It means 6, 1056. That is the circumference, right? Okay. So how much time Smith will take? Like, because they in one round, right? If you're coming here, so start. If he will come starting point again, it means this is 168 meter, and his speed is 24 meter per second. So Smith will take one time by in taking one round, that is 168 upon 24, and 168 upon 24, it means what will be the answer? No, not 168, that is 1056, because that, yes, it is 1056. 1056. Okay, so 24 4s are 96, and then again 4s are. Okay, I should also not divide it. I did a just kind of mistake, I think, and that's not good. You know what? I just multiplied it. I need not to do that. I just take like 96 into 11. Look, 96 into 11. If I don't multiply it, I'll feel good. 24 4s are 96. Now I'm happy one. You understand that? These things you need to follow. You need to follow in the exam. You'll save a hell of a time, right? You will have a time to like drink tea or something. तुम एग्जामिनर से बोलना चाय मंगाओ भाई जरा. अच्छा, तो मित्रा को कितना टाइम लगेगा? 96 into 11 by 16. So just divide 6. So 11 6 is 66. Okay, this is 44. This is 66. Now find out the LCM. Okay. So their LCM will be what? It's a 44. It's a 66. 11 will be 11 into 44 or 66. So LCM will be 11 into, if I talk about here, you'll get 11 into 4. It's like 11 into 6. So what I can say that the 11 into and 4 and 6, it means you wanna get 3, 132. 11 into 12, that is 132. This is your LCM. 132. You understand that? 132 is the LCM, because when they come, he'll take like this much second, he'll take like this much second, but on circle after 132 second they meet, they come at the same point. Did you get this? They come at the same point, 132. And now the total time is 2 hours 12 minutes. 2 hours 12 minutes means, okay, 132 second, right? Kind of this, right? So 132 second, and we can just do here like 120. Let's convert it into minute first of all. 120 plus 12, it means 132 upon 132 into 60. So divisible answer will be 60 second. Okay, so that is the answer, 60. Actually they did a mistake in taking LCM. I think they have taken LCM like 264. If you takes LCM 264, your answer will be 30 second, but LCM is not 264, LCM is 132, so answer will be what? 60 second. 60 second is the right answer. In the exam, in RRB kind of exams, or in pre-exams, this is a pro question. It's a damn easy, but because of the lack of the concepts, students don't attempt it, and they don't attempt it, so examiner just ask it. It's a very simple question, guys. You need not to do nothing. If I just like in a simple sentence, I'll say that the circumference will be 96 into 11. Time taken by Smith, that will be 44. Otherwise just let me write, just you have a feeling. 96 into 11 by 24. Time taken by Mitra, that is 96 into 11 by 16. So LCM of time taken by this and this, that is 132, and they are covering in this time, it means 132 into 60 upon 132. Answer will be 60 seconds. Calculation 0. Thought process 100%. Otherwise you can say that is the cheat code. 100%. Okay guys. This is also a question of circular. It's a damn easy question. Okay, try to solve this. PQ and R start running around a circular field having radius 56 meter at the same time. Okay, speeds of PQ and R are this and this. The time after which they will meet again at the same point, it means the same question. It means what? Like this, and they are running. For the first time is what percent of the time taken by Q to complete one round. It means like meet at the first time, meet again at the first time. Okay, so understand one thing, that it means they are meeting here at the first time. It means meeting at the starting point, right? Time from the same point and same direction. Okay, so let's do one thing. This is 56 meters. Just find out circumference. So 2 into 20 or 2 by 7 into 56. 7 8 is 56. It means 22 into 16. Don't multiply it. That is your circumference. Okay, speed of P. Time taken by P to complete around 22 into 16 upon 8. So that is 44 minutes. Similarly, time taken by to complete around 22 into 16 upon 11, it means 32 minutes. Similarly, time taken by R to complete one round, that is 16 minutes. Now we need to find out the LCM of all this. So this is 44, this is 32, this is 16. So just eliminate this, take the LCM of this and this. So LCM will be you need to just take the LCM of these things. Like if I have to think about 11 into 4 and into 8. It means these two are like 11 or 8. 88 into 4. 88 into 4. That is the LCM. Yes, need not to multiply. And if this is the LCM, so after this time they will meet. They all will meet here. After this time. Okay, this is 88 into 4. That is the time after which they will meet again at the same point. Remember the word at the same point. It means they will meet here after this time. Okay, and they are saying percent of the time taken by Q to complete one round. Q is taking like 32. So just find out the ratio. 88 into 4 into 32. So 4 8 is 32. 11. 11 is to 1. So they are saying this time is how much percent of this time. So it's obviously 1100%. That is your answer. Let's see the next one. I hope you're getting it. Okay guys, do it fast. These two questions of circular permutation were kind of good, you know. Vinny, don't multiply. Don't multiply. Don't ever multiply. I just hate multiplication. If you seeing me how I am doing the questions, you're gonna love the way what I am doing here. I did not multiply. Like Vinith multiply, he got 362. But actually this is 352. So when I don't multiply, I will not do mistake. You understand my feeling? When you don't even try to multiply, when you even need to multiply, you will not do any mistakes. ना जब जाओगे ही नहीं उस गलियों में तो खता कैसे होगी हैं? Okay, it's kind of good. अच्छा ये निकालो यार. Man driving his bike at 24 km/h reaches his office 5 minutes late. Had he driven 25 meters faster, he would have 4 minutes earlier. We have discussed it yesterday itself. Right. This ratio of the speed 25% faster. It means if this is 4, then it becomes 5. So speed of time, that is 5 is to 4. 5 minutes late, 4 minutes early. So difference is 1. Here 1 and here that is 9 minutes. 1 means 9, 5 means 45, 4 means, come on, 36. But this actual speed is 24 km/h. This is the speed, this is time. So 24 into 45 upon 60. That is your answer. 6 10 ja, 6 4 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 9 ja, 2 2 ja. What the hell? 18 km. They are saying giving options like this. You know, answer will be 18 km. Okay guys. So now I think the time up. So we'll do questions like this is your homework. Just a damn easiest question. Solve it. This is also very easy question. Solve this also, and we'll do more questions tomorrow. We'll definitely like do many concepts of time, speed, and distance. Today I think I have taught you 3-4 concepts, and these all are good things. So be ready for these things, guys, and try to practice it. Do the homework, right? Solve these questions in the homework. Understand that? Okay, guys. So thanks for being here, and thanks for you are awesome. I seriously see some names over here. They always used to come wake up at 5 a.m. and you are doing a very tough job already, because to wake up at 5 and but don't sleep after that, but I'm damn sure that you guys don't sleep, because I'm sure why, because it's not a matter of one day. I think you guys have been doing it from last 1 month. So that's awesome, guys. So take care, everyone. It's very nice teaching you. We'll do this time and distance. We'll just definitely complete this time and distance. So just see the questions and different kind of questions we did today, use it somewhere in the exam also. Follow that. Take care. Bye. Thank you. Thanks a lot.